Morning students, this class we are going to learn about construction of the circumcenter of a triangle. Construction of the circumcenter of a triangle. First of all, I will explain the circumcenter of definition. The circumcenter is the point of congruency of the perpendicular bisector of the sides of a triangle. It is usually denoted by S. Again, I will repeat. The circumcenter is the point of congruency of the perpendicular bisectors of the sides of the triangle. If the perpendicular bisectors are intersecting one point, that point is the circumcenter. Okay, it is usually denoted by S. Next definition, circumcircle. The circle passing through all the three vertices of the triangle with the circumcenter as center is called the circumcircle. The circle is passing through all the three vertices of the triangle. Now you consider one triangle. Any one of the circle is passing through these 3 points. Passing through these 3 points are the vertices of the triangle intersecting, that is circle. Okay. So the circle passing through all the three vertices of the triangle with the circumcenter. Circumcenter is middle point. Okay, middle point is the bisector all the bisectors of the triangle intersecting one point. That point is circumcenter. Using the circumcenter, draw one circle of the triangle. So circle is called the circumcircle. Then circumradius definition. The line segment from any vertex of a triangle to the circumcenter of a given triangle is called circumradius of the circumcircle. The line segment from any vertex of a triangle to the circumcenter of a given triangle is called the circumradius. Listen. This is the circumcenter. So the circumcenter to take one line segment. So this line segment is the circumradius of the circumcircle. One more time I will explain the definition. See, all the corners of the triangle, the corners are intersecting the circle, or the circle passing through this triangle. Okay, passing through the vertices of a triangle. So that circle is called the circumcircle. I will explain in Tamil. The triangle oda 3 points irukku. The 3 points ayum join பண்ற மாதிரி வரக்கூடிய சர்க்கிள் தான் circumcircle சொல்லுவாங்க. அப்புறமா இந்த ட்ரையாங்கிளுக்கு perpendicular bisectors போட வேண்டியது வரும். அந்த perpendicular bisectors intersect பண்ணக்கூடிய பாயிண்ட் தான் இந்த middle point. Yes. So this is the circumcenter of the circumcircle. Then circumradius. Circumradius சொல்றது circumcenterல இருந்து ட்ரையாங்கிளுக்கோ இல்லது சர்க்கிளுக்கோ ஒரு லைன் செக்மெண்ட் நீ போட்டுக்க. அந்த லைன் செக்மெண்டோட மெஷரை யூஸ் பண்ணி தான் இந்த சர்க்கிளே போட முடியும். ஸோ இந்த ட்ரையாங்கிள் யூஸ் பண்ணி இந்த சர்க்கம்சென்டர்லேருந்து வரக்கூடிய லைன் circumradius. Okay. So we use this method. Complete one example sum. Example 4.14. Construct the circumcenter of the triangle ABC with AB 5 cm, angle A 60 degree and angle B 80 degree. Also draw the circumcircle and find the circumradius of the triangle ABC. Find the circumcircle and circumradius. Circumradius is measurement. This one is circle. You draw the circumcircle. So the solution, you write the given values. AB 5 cm, angle A 60 degree and angle B 80 degree. Listen the construction. Step 1. First we use this given measure, draw a rough diagram. Step 2. Draw the draw the triangle ABC with the given measurements. Step 3. Construct the perpendicular bisector of any two sides. You draw a perpendicular bisector. Already you studied perpendicular bisector. Any two sides you select. I will select AC and BC side. And let them meet at S. That the two perpendicular bisector are intersecting one point. That point is S. Okay. That S is the circumcenter. Then step 4. S as center and SA, SB, SCS radius. All the radius values are equal. So draw using that radius, draw the circumcircle. That the circumcircle passes through A, B and C. Step 5. Circumradius. You find out the measure using the diagram. Okay. We use the steps, find out the main diagrams. After complete step 5, find out the circumradius of the triangle ABC. We note the left side, the corner, draw the rough diagram. First you draw the circle, that inside you draw one triangle, write the measures and label the letters ABC. This one 5 cm, 80 degree and 60 degree. I'll explain the main diagram. First to complete the line segment 5 centimeter. This one AB. AB 5 centimeter. Label the letters A, B, measure as 5 centimeter. Next, using the protractor, make angle 80 degree. So B as the center, keep the protractor on that point. The point and this perpendicular line midpoint also coincide. Now you take 80 degree. 80 degree, right to left or left to right. You take the measure. Right to left or left to right. See the line segment. B is right side, but the line segment in the left side. So left to right you take the counting. Don't forget B as the center, the line segment in the left side. So left to right you take the counting. 80 degree. Okay, 0 to 80 degree. Note that point. Now using this degree measure, extend the line. Again use the protractor, take 60 degree, but A as the center. So A as the center, keep the protractor this line. Now where you start the counting? A is the center. A in the left side, but the line segment is right side. So right to left you take the counting. 60 degree. So 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Mark 60 degree angle and using this point draw one line. Now these two lines are intersecting. That point is C. Okay, you note that point is C. Write the degrees. 60 degree, here 80 degree. Next step, construct a perpendicular bisector of any two sides. I will select AC and BC. Now I will find out the perpendicular line. AC side. AC side, I will draw the perpendicular line. So using the compass, take half and above value. Take the line segment, AC line segment, measure half and above value, you take it. So above and below, draw the arcs. The line segment AC, line segment above and below, you draw the arcs. And the C as the center, draw two arcs. So that two arcs are intersecting here. Note the point and join the 2 points. We get one perpendicular line, the side AC. Draw the perpendicular bisector of BC side. So take half and above value and the line segment BC. So B as the center, draw two arcs above below. Above and below you draw two arcs. And C as the center. C as the center, draw two arcs. We get the intersecting point here. Now we join these 2 points. So these two perpendicular bisector meet at S. Note that point S. Now we use the compass. S as the center. Compass tip you keep on the point S. Okay. And the pencil tip is keep the point on B. Now you rotate the compass. All the points are joined. All the points of the triangle are joined. We get the circumcircle. This is the circumcircle of the circle. Any of the measures mistake, you don't get the circle clearly. Okay, only be the triangle outside or triangle inside, you get this circle. The measures are correct, we get the circumcircle. The circumcircle is all the points of the triangle are coincide. Okay, this is the circumcircle. So now you find out the circumradius of the circle. Take the scale and S2B or S2A, S2C, any of the side, you find out the measure. That is circumradius of the circle. I got 3.9 centimeter. Okay, the measure is 3.9 centimeter. This is the 5, right? Circumradius is 3.9 centimeter. Do the homework. Exercise 4.6, 1 to 4. Any doubt, you ask me. Thank you, students.